Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to do something a little bit different. Since Halloween is right around the corner, I wanted to dress up as Princess Jasmine from Aladdin. I was actually Princess Jasmine a couple years ago and I love how the costume turned out, so I just decided to film a video on it. But this is how the costume looks. And I'll leave a link to it if you're interested down below on where I got it from. But I think it came out super, super cute. So if you don't really have any idea of what you want to be for Halloween, this is actually a really cute costume. If you're into like the Disney princesses and all that, I am. I couldn't decide if I wanted to be Pocahontas or Princess Jasmine, but this is the costume that I found last minute. So I went ahead and purchased it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys how I do my hair and makeup for this look, which is super, super simple. I'm going to do my hair last and go ahead and do my makeup first. So I've already done my eyebrows and foundation off camera. Actually, I don't really wear foundation anymore, but I do use concealer. So I use the NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me concealer. And I just spot conceal on the problem areas, like where I have hyperpigmentation. And then I use like an e.l.f. brow pencil to do my eyebrows. So we're going to get right into the eye portion of the look. So we're going to use this makeup palette. And this one is by Jeffree Star and it's the Orgy palette. I absolutely love this one because it's like all neutral tone brown colors, which is right up my alley. I don't really experiment with a lot of colors, so yeah, this palette is perfect for that. If you're interested, I will leave a link down below for this as well. I think it's still available. So I actually put up a picture of Princess Jasmine on my phone just so I can kind of see how her eye makeup is. Like I said before, it's really simple. The main thing that she has is like the heavy winged eyeliner. So that's going to be like the main focus. But I do want to do like a little bit of brown, like kind of a brown smoky eye, just to kind of give a little bit more dimension to my eyes. I'm going to be using mainly like the darker brown colors just to make a little crease in my eyes, just to have a little bit of definition. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with this color right here. It's called Booby Trap. I'm just going to focus it in the crease area. Like I said, it's going to be a very simple makeup look. Just the main focus is going to be the winged eyeliner. Now I'm going to take the colors Gender Fluid and Knee Pads. By the way, if you guys are wondering about the weird names of the eyeshadows, the palette name is called Orgy, and this is by Jeffree Star. So yeah, the names are a little different, but hey, it's a nice eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to focus those two colors on my eyelid. And I'm trying to be very careful because I do have on some eyelash extensions. And if you guys didn't see my last video, I filmed about the Kiss Foscara lashes that lasts about a week or so. And I absolutely love them. It makes doing my makeup so much faster. And now I'm going to take the color Happy Ending. I'm just going to do a little bit of it on a smaller eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to focus that on the outer corner of my eye. Okay, and that's all I'm doing for the eyeshadow. So the next thing, let's move on to the winged eyeliner. So the liquid eyeliner I'm going to be using is by Maybelline, and it's the Master Precise All Day one. So the eyes are done. Let's go ahead and move on to the face. For bronzer, because I did spot, like I said, I've already spot concealed and everything. For bronzer, I'm going to use Hoola Benefit, and this is the color Caramel. I'm just going to take one of these like stippling brushes, and I don't really know how to contour, to be honest, but I do like to put a little like bronzer around the perimeter of my face, just because if you just put on foundation, it can make your face look really flat. So I just like to add some type of like bronzer or contour color. And then I go back and take like my foundation brush and just kind of go over it so it's not so harsh. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of nose contour too. And I honestly skipped a step, so I don't even know why I'm doing it now, but just for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna add a little bit on my nose. I actually really like the shape of my nose, so this is like really pointless, but I'm gonna put on a little bit of blush. This is one of my favorite blushes. It's by e.l.f. and it's the Luminous Putty Blush. And this color, let me see what color this is. This is in the color Belize. So it's really pretty. It's almost like a peach tone. It's not really a lot of pink. It's more like of an orange undertone. And I think it looks really pretty. It's so pretty for the summertime. But I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on with my blush brush. Now for the lips, which is the last thing I'm gonna do for the face. It looks like she has on, at least in this picture, like a orangey type of red lipstick. So this is the closest thing that I have to that. It's by NYX. It's a matte lipstick and the color is in Sierra. So it's just like an orangey color. But I'm going to start with using my lip liner. Lip liner is by ColourPop and the color is BFF3. Let's see if this looks good. I'm not much of a matte lip girl, so I'm going to always put a gloss over it. This is by Buxom, and it's the color Hot Toddy. I'm just going to put that over. We're officially done with the face. I'm going to just let everything set. And let's move on to the hair. So we all know Princess Jasmine's hair is super long. I decided to get some hair extensions. This is by Irresistible Me, and this is 28 inches and the color 1B. So far, I really, really like them. It blends in perfectly with my hair. If you guys want like a whole tutorial of how I do my clip-in hair extensions, I can film that for you. But yeah, I just went ahead and put those in. So we can go ahead and do the ponytail. And I have my curling iron heating up because I am going to curl some of the front pieces just so it can have a little bit more volume in it. And this is just a basic curling iron by Conair, nothing special. So here's the little headband that came with the costume. When I put it on, I feel like you can tell exactly where I'm going to be. But let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to take a couple of pieces from the front and section it off, so I can put the headband, and then the rest of the hair I'm going to just put in a clip. I'm gonna just place it like here at the top. I'm gonna go ahead and take the curling iron. I just want to curl mainly just the front section, just so it can have a little bit of volume. I'm gonna curl these pieces like this. This is honestly like the easiest costume to me. It doesn't require so much effort, and it comes out looking really, really good. I'm gonna take these little rubber bands like this. They're just like the little small stretchy rubber bands. And I'm going to put most of my hair back in a ponytail. Don't worry about if some pieces in the front kind of come out. We can use a bobby pin to clip those, but I might actually leave some out anyway because I think if they look cute. And while I'm at it, we're gonna go ahead and put on some gold earrings because she has gold earrings on. So these are just like some chunky gold loops I got from Pretty Little Thing. You can see her hair has like, I don't know if you guys can see this picture, but it has like 2 rubber bands going towards the back. So I'm just gonna take one rubber band. I'm gonna put it like towards the middle. You guys can see how I did that. But I just put it like in the middle, and then you can just like fluff out your hair like this. So it can be kind of thicker. Like I said, you can use a comb or whatever to kind of tease it so it can be a little bit thicker. And then I'm gonna do one towards the bottom. Super simple. That's pretty much it. I'm not doing a bunch of stuff to my hair. If you guys really want to perfect it, be my guest. But I think this is like pretty simple. Hide the headband. As you can see, it's just a ponytail, just like Princess Jasmine. This is the full hair and makeup look. Here is the outfit. It's super cute, but it's also sexy at the same time because it opens up like right here. You guys will see it when I try it on, and then it has like these like gold straps. But yeah, I think it's so, so cute. So let's go ahead and try it on so you guys can see the full look. Okay guys, so here is the final look. I absolutely love this costume so much. It's so, so, so cute. I just went ahead and paired it with my gold bag that I got from Pretty Little Thing. Exact gold that's in the costume. It matches perfectly. And then I'll back up so you guys can see, but I had the perfect gold sandals as well to match with it. If you guys are going out or something, you can wear it with heels, but I just want to give you a full view of the costume. Let me step all the way back. Hopefully you guys can see my sandals. But yeah, like I said before, the pants has slits that go all the way up. I did see some other costumes where obviously the legs are closed, how she actually has her pants, but this is a little bit more sexier if you're going to like a Halloween party or something like that. And then just paired it with a cute bag. I was really trying to look for like a genie shaped bottle purse, which I did see one on Amazon, but it was way too expensive and I'm only going to wear this one time, so I didn't want to spend the money on it. But if you find that, that would be super cute with it. I'm really impressed because it's exactly how the picture looks. Like sometimes whenever you buy costumes and you get it in person, it doesn't look anything like this, but I think this is the most realistic costume that I've ever purchased. So it's great quality. I want to say it was like $40 or $50, so not too expensive, but again, I will put the link down below. Hopefully it's not sold out or out of stock and it's still available. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.